Today I'm going to show you how to get tough grease off your stovetop. Here in this container I have Dawn soap and some hot water, and here I poured a little bit of vinegar with some baking soda. As you can see, it's kind of mostly like a paste that you want to get. So here's the grease I was talking about. It's kind of like stuck on there. I'm just gonna pour it all over. And now after we get this solution on our stove, we're gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer. And also what I used just to put on top of there was some paper towels. So we will be back in 15 minutes to show you what we start doing afterwards. Alright, so after the 15 minutes, you're just going to take this solution up as much as you can. So this is where the SOS pad comes in with your Dawn soap. And now we're just gonna start scrubbing it very gently, and it should just wipe right off when we get done here. We'll do a little area so you can see here. Okay, now you want to take a paper towel and just wipe that off right away. Get all that gook off. As you can see, it's already starting to come off. This whole part right here is all starting to get clean. There is a few spots still that you can use your nail. But for the most part, after you use the scrubber on it and you wipe it off, it comes off pretty easy. So you just want to keep on scrubbing the whole stove down until you get all the grease off, and yeah, we'll be back with the finished project.